A CDL file contains an ASC color decision list, standardized color grading parameters that ensure consistent looks across film and video post-production pipelines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you apply, create, or troubleshoot these color grading files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open a CDL file. Here's a sneak peek. CDL files follow the American Society of Cinematographers color decision list standard storing color correction parameters for film and video. They contain slope offset and power values for each RGB channel, plus saturation, providing a portable color grading interchange format. ASC CDL files use an XML format with color correction elements containing SOP Slope Offset Power values for red, green, and blue channels and a saturation element. The mathematical formula applies slope multiplication, offset addition, then power gamma to each color channel. The fundamental reading standard for CDL is set by DaVinci Resolve from Blackmagic Design. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows exposes the file's contents, yet modifications must be done with care to avoid misconfiguration. The first action is to find a successful opener. Right-click the CDL file and click Open With. Test DaVinci Resolve if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option in the list. If the CDL file is still refusing to open, it's expected. If your CDL file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, applying color grades. Import the CDL file into your color grading or editing software, such as DaVinci Resolve Baselight or Adobe Premiere Pro. In DaVinci Resolve, use the CDL mode in the color page to load CDL values. The SOP and saturation parameters are applied to the image in real time. Next, creating CDL files. In DaVinci Resolve or other grading software, perform primary color corrections using lift gamma gain controls. Export the grade as an ASC CDL file for interchange with other post-production facilities. CDL captures the primary correction parameters in a standardized format. Finally, exchanging between facilities. CDL files enable color grading decisions to travel between dailies, editorial VFX, and final grading facilities. Send CDL files alongside media to ensure consistent color treatment throughout the post-production pipeline. All major grading applications support CDL import and export. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.